fly my GWS Zero. 22, I think I've had this thing for 20 something years probably. Put a different motor on it, set it up a little bit nicer than what it came with a geared motor and NICADs, so a little bit better setup.
What a great little plane. Hand launches like a breeze. It's super light, so it just flies wonderful. I'm just going to do kind of a fun fly, kind of talk a little bit about the plane itself. Again, this is an old plane. I got this 20 plus years ago. GWS is the manufacturer. They don't make these things anymore. It's been a long time, so you probably won't be able to find one. But it's in my hangar and just wanted to kind of have some fun and play with it. So hope you enjoy.
Fun little plane. Super light. I mean, it doesn't weigh anything. So I've got it on 2S 1300. Can't remember what kind of motor I put in it. I think probably an 8.6 prop. And she's just 3-channel, no rudder.
Keep in mind that this plane was made, like I said, it was designed 20 years ago or so, and geared motors, NICADs, and such. So upgrading it to latest and greatest, the performance was just outstanding, and it really has a great wing load, so she'll just flutter around easily.
Always been kind of a fun plane to cruise with. She just really no bad habits. Half throttle, flies for 5 minutes easily. FMS came out with one, or at least that's what a lot of people are getting from FMS. Fly the little 800 millimeter. It's about what this guy is, I think.
3 minutes.
And it, the Zero, just a really quality flying platform. And this little one, I mean, her stall, she won't stall. She just glides.
Absolutely, the low wing load on this thing. I mean, it's 8 something ounce per square foot. Definitely helps with just the easy, slow flying that you can do with it. Highly recommend as you're building these planes and adding things, the lighter, the better, always.
Whoa! Trying to do some nice low passes in front of me and nearly crashed her. A little spaz.
2 minutes.
You're at 1/3 throttle.
It's amazing what the same material made in coolers, styrofoam coolers, could do for making an airplane back in the day. But with the right setup, the right power, it is just a real joy to fly, for sure.
It is a really neat little plane. Alright, gonna bring her in for landing.
1 minute.
She'll fly for quite a while. Gonna bring her in here, cut back on throttle, about 1 throttle, now cut throttle completely, just glide her in.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.